recording.
Okay, me too.
Alright, ready?
Yep.
Here we go.
All right.
I don't know if I got it or not.
I don't think I did either.
And that thing went so fast. Holy mackerel.
Almost did. There we go.
There it is.
Not too shabby, no.
No shoot. Oh, it came apart up there. Oh.
Yeah, no shoot. Oh.
Oh.
Not enough wadding in there or
I
something?
guess not. Yeah. Huh. Came down.
Yeah, there's the...
Yep. Huh.
There's the remains. Parachute didn't come out, stuck right in the ground. We might be able to get a second launch here, so we'll see. Here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Shoot, I lose the darn thing.
Parachute again. Woo-wee. I'm gonna take the drone over there.
Okay. Nice. Well, that thing, I lose it on the screen with the glare. Shoot, I lose the darn thing.
Parachute again.
Well, it's pretty cool, bud. Actually made a crater here.
Let's see what we got. Holy cow!
Yeah, yeah.
What the heck?
Pretty awesome. We got a light here. Yeah.
Ooh. Yeah, look at that.
All right, nice.
That is sweet.
Yeah.
Pumpkin's still going.
Yeah, that's down in there. Yep, stuck it in pretty far.
So weird that's not blowing the
No.
parachute out.
Huh. Nope.
Huh.
All right.
Unless this is too tight.
Too heavy, maybe. Well, no, it would blow the bottom, because the bottom would be
True,
light.
yeah.
I don't know. Huh.
Sweet.